So this market review is of the Death Star and Star Destroyer. You get both in there. They're unfortunately different scales, but they kind of have to be able to see them. This is 1 to 2.7 million, and this is 1 to 14,000. So obviously this is going to be a lot larger than the other one in comparison. And here we have some pictures on the side here of the Star Destroyer and the Death Star, and looks like lots of detail there. And they do have some display bases if you want that. Let's have a look inside and see what we've got. So first of all, here we'll look at our sprues. And the thing with Bandai models that I've noticed is their mold quality is exceptional. They're just perfect, and they fit together perfectly. So here's an example of that. You can just see, maybe you can't see, but just excessive amounts of detail. Absolutely perfect. And when they go together, they fit together perfectly. So this is our Star Destroyer, and you can see, the top and bottom. Here's the rear with our boosters, sides, and so on. Just absolutely incredible, the level of detail here. So that's very nicely molded. Then here is our Death Star. So we'll look on the other side. Just exceptional amounts of detail, and the quality is just amazing. Absolutely no mold lines, no flashing. You can see this sort of partially destroyed or partially built Death Star. Absolutely phenomenal. It all goes together to make that sort of almost sphere. But here you can see just the molding quality is perfect. And over here we have our stands. They are exactly the same, it looks like. And we'll go together and hold our Death Star and Star Destroyer. So there are our stickers if you want those. And we start off with our parts listings there. And here's how to make the Death Star. As you can see, fairly simple, easy to put together, and they're just going to be gray. And make sure that you put that on the right way. And then coloring. So fairly simple little model. These are the neutral gray, plus a little black, mostly white. So yeah, that should be a quick, easy model to build.